Hello, welcome to KT Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make a lemon tart. Bake the pastry tart shell according to the package directions and allow to cool. Place the eggs and yolks into a medium mixing bowl. In a medium pot, combine the butter, sugar, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Whisk together over medium-high heat until smooth. Slowly add the hot butter mixture to the eggs, whisking constantly to temper. Do not add all at once, or the eggs may curdle. Return the mixture to the pot and cook on low heat, whisking until it thickens and coats the back of a spoon. Then pour into tart shell and bake at 350 for about 8 to 10 minutes. Allow the tart to cool completely. Then serve with whipped cream and fresh berries. For these recipes and more, visit ktsuperstores.com/recipes.